You know what?
Yo, check out that motherfucking fireworks! Check those motherfucking fireworks!
With me, Travis!
I don't know the words. I watched Mr. Bean! It's 20!
I can't even see you, Travis. It's fucking dark. That's why I think's worst nightmare. Fuck's sake, fuck, I'm drunk.
Get a fucking photo. Get a photo of that.
Oh, young love! Isn't it gorgeous? With his hands on her ass.
That's cool.
Alright, Steve, we love you.
Oh, how would you be that? What?
Look, man, my camera's like right in the right spot. Trying to steal your constellation. Hang on, wait, like this. I need to get the line. Hang on, come on, okay, this side.
It's awesome, eh?
Come on, Nate, we'll tag team it.
I'm gonna get a good one.
Hey, it's the three dark forces!
Dark forces!
The dark forces reunite!
Oh, yes! That Hollywood's a Californication.
Dark forces are too dark!
Hey, man, it looks like hundreds of thousands. Watch it, that's thousands.
Hundreds and fucking thousands. I'm gonna take a photo of that shit. Get it. Woo! Yeah, motherfucker!
Fuck yeah!
Fucking 2000 motherfucking 7!
Fucking 30,000!
These hoes for the new year! Fucking yeah!
Yeah, motherfucker!
Fuck yeah, motherfucker!
2007, yeah!
Take your shit!
Hey!
Like a month ago, Steve.
Drive had sex last year!